Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a secret code for your locked chats in WhatsApp, giving your private conversations an extra layer of security. Before we begin, open the App Store and search for WhatsApp. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version so you have access to the newest privacy features. Once the update is complete, open WhatsApp and go to the Locked Chat section. Next, tap the settings icon in the top right corner of the screen. Here, tap on Secret Code. WhatsApp will ask you to create a unique code that you'll use to access your locked chats. Enter a code that's easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. After entering your secret code, confirm it if prompted and save your changes. From now on, your locked chats will be protected by this secret code. Whenever you want to access them, simply open WhatsApp and type your secret code into the search bar. If the code is correct, your locked chats folder will instantly appear, allowing you to view your private conversations. Using a secret code is a great way to keep your personal chats hidden from anyone who might use your phone, adding an extra level of privacy beyond the regular chat lock feature. That's all for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more WhatsApp tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.